Okay, this is our fantasy book for today, The Animal Bridge by Marsha Aboff, illustrated by Mark Myers. The Animal Bridge. Words to know. Bridge, dent, dizzy, which means you're kind of feeling like you're moving in circles. Humans, which are people. Sprayed, and upset when you're really mad. Look at the focus question down on the bottom. It says, how do the animals' feelings change during the story? The fact that animals have feelings tells me that it's definitely a fantasy story. Okay. Bear was eating berries when Blue Jay flew down to him. The humans are building something, Blue Jay said. Not again, Bear cried. The humans had made many roads through the forest. Look at him thinking about the roads that they built. I can't get the page. Bear saw Deer coming toward him. Bear asked, "What's wrong, Deer?" Deer said, "I am all alone. I got cut off from the other deer. I'm too scared to cross the road to find them." "We need to do something to stop the humans," said Bear. The animals came together. They talked about the humans and their new bridge. Rabbit showed off her two big front teeth. "I can chew through the wires under the trucks," said Rabbit. "Then the humans can't use them to dig up the land," she added. Rabbit ran toward the trucks. Then, when she got there, she chewed wires until, snap, the wire split. The work went on. Moose said, "I can ram into anything," which means hit. He made a dent in a truck. He felt dizzy. Then Moose fell down. The work went on. Skunk said, my smell can drive away the workers." Skunk ran behind the workers and sprayed them. The workers put masks on their face. The work went on.